Features and advantages. The secondary belt cleaners use segmental blade design for simple blade replacement. Rubber buffers maintain cleaning pressure while deflecting to allow for splices to pass, and for reversal of belt direction without damage. The tungsten carbide blade, with higher wear resistance and longer service life. The secondary scraper adopts constant pressure spring adjusting seats. For two-way running belt. Applications: aggregate, cement, coal-fired power plants, mineral,